Hello guys, for today's video, I will show how to download and install WAMPSERVER. So now first go and Google and search WAMPSERVER. Click the first link. The link must be this. If your computer or laptop is 32 bits, click this. If your computer or laptop is 64 bits, click this. Mine is 64 bits. So I will click this. After you click that, you will see this link. When download it directly, click that. Now, it start downloading when this one is, like that, countdown. Guys, I already download it, so I will cancel the download. Cancel. Now, I will show the file. This is the file, guys. Double click on it and wait for it. Oh, it's to take too long, guys. Be patient, guys. WAMPSERVER and SAMSERVER is same. So if you download WAMPSERVER, it's good, but SAMSERVER is also good. Click yes, guys. English. Okay. Read this and accept the agreement. This one, you don't need this to download because if your project is too big, you need to download it, but it is small or like you want to practice, you don't need this one. Just click next. 154, just click next. I will check my SQL and also some PHP here. Just check it, guys. So okay, now next, install. Just wait it, guys. I will fast forward it. So guys, just little minute. Just wait it, guys. WAMPSERVER and SAMSERVER is also the same, but SAMSERVER is too much strong than this WAMPSERVER. But I love WAMPSERVER, guys, so this is why I download it. Now, it's a few minutes. Just wait, guys. By the way, guys, sorry for my English. I'm from Philippines. Not that in Philippines. I not professional in English, more in Tagalog. But Philippines is so fun, guys. Now it's already done, guys. Do you want to choose browser installed on your system? If you need yes, just click yes. Just I Explorer, no. Notepad, no. You can yes it and go in a Google Chrome, but for me it's aux. Just wait, guys. About 30 seconds. It's already finished. Just wait. Be patient. If you have no patience, then punch your laptop or PC. Oh, it's not about 30 seconds now. You joke, right? Just wait, guys. This one is too much. Very, very I think it's loud. Yeah, just wait it. Oh guys, it's finished. Click next and finish. Ta-da! So now, this is our WAMP server. Just click on it. Must be sure if it's working or not. Click yes. And now it's running. Wait this until it turns to green icon. Red, that's anime CMD. It's not hawk. Just wait guys. When it turns green, it's ox. This one. Wait till it become green. Just wait it. Oh, take time. Now it's orange. After that, it turned green. Just wait guys. Because it's our first download. So it take a few minutes. So free running. Now it's turned green. So let's check it out. Go in. Localhost. Let's check it out. It is working on. Oh now. It's working guys. Go in my PHP my admin. If your home server is not working, comment down below and we figure how to fix it. We figure how your problem becomes that. Now root, no password, just click go. If you want to put password here, just change in the settings. Now guys, we have the database phpMyAdmin. You can create database, and that's all. Thank you guys. After watching this guys, please subscribe and hit like button. Thank you.